So the question is a sample line code that executed in Python print 11. Already printed. I can show you in Word. It's okay. Then the other one. All the test cases are possible. Submit the code. Okay, the next question. If else. So the given integer and performance for following conditional actions. So n is given from taken from the user. First task is if n is odd, print word. If n is even and the inclusive range is 2 to 5, print not wild. If n is if n is even and inclusive range is 6 to 20, print word. Same. Last one is else. This will end the loop. Sample guess I will not put that to comments. ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೆ ಹೌದಾ 10 is equal n percentage to equal to 0 and if okay n is greater than 2 and n is less than 5 the output is not varied. This is also correct. If n percentage to equal to 0 1 is the if one condition and n is greater than or equal to 6 and n is less than 20 so print varied. Okay, this is correct. If n is an even so that is 0 if n is an even n is greater than 20 print not varied. Yes, no, no, IRT, IRT. Okay, already correct. Everything is correct. See what happens. So all the test cases are passed. When I submit the code, all the test cases are passed. Thank you. Next is arithmetic operators. So the input is 3 and 5. Print the following. Our task is the product code set stub reads two integers from std in. Okay. A and B add code. Print the line where the first line contains the sum of two numbers. Okay. Contains the difference between two numbers. Okay. The third line contains the product of the two numbers. Okay. Then press B. Okay. Then press B. Then A minus B. And then print A B. So this is the task is given. So the input for first line contains integer. Okay, it's already given in the question. So all the test cases are put. This is easy questions. You all know that. Okay. Python division question is there. Your task is the provided code std reads to integer a and b from stdin and logic to print two lines. The first line should contain the result of integer division. The second line contains the result of float division. That's okay. Okay, the given already they have given the task the question. First line with the result of float. Result of integer division code only. Integer division. Okay. And next question is print A by B. So this is the question I run this code. So the all test cases are passed. Continue. I got an silver, not silver, bronze medal, first star.